What if a bank-sized device could run AI as powerful as ChatGPT-4 without the internet? This is the tiny AI Pocket Lab, the world's smallest personal AI supercomputer. It's officially Guinness World Record verified, and it can run 120 billion parameters AI models locally. No cloud, no servers, no data leaks, just private offline AI right in your pocket. Inside this tiny device, 12-core ARM CPU, 80 GB of RAM, 190 TOPS AI power, enough to handle PhD level reasoning, content creation, and multi-step AI tasks. Good AI is powerful, but it expensive, energy heavy, and risky for privacy. Tiny AI flips the model. It belongs to people, not data centers, developers, researchers, creators, even students. You can run Llama, Queen, DeepSeek, and more with one click. This is not just a gadget, it's the future of personal AI. This is 2x, where tech meet imagination. Subscribe now.